There are different industries which can get the benefit of Revenue Cloud. Number one is, of course, healthcare and life sciences. With the complexity that is involved uh, with the billing of people into healthcare or into the same industry, and the complexities of the products, the regions, the usage. Sometimes there is billing related to usage as well, diagnostic details as well. uh, like product like Revenue Cloud can really help to do a lot of things. It can manage complex pricing across services, devices, regions in one system. It can make you audit ready by being compliant with HIPAA, high tech, or FDA compliances. And it can streamline payer invoicing with integrated code to cash flows. And it can support recurring revenue models for devices, monitoring, and services if there are any. Then comes manufacturing. It can combine one-time sales subscriptions and usage-based services in a single billing engine, which is really a tedious task to do otherwise. Automate contract amendments and renewals tied to equipment lifecycle events. Enable outcome-based pricing linked to IoT data if there are some IoT devices which are involved.
We can use that for pricing, for quotation itself only, and for identifying how much we need to bill them.
Manage tax and pricing consistency across global supply chains. Simplify partner. You cannot teach your salespeople to create codes considering the taxation and the compliances,
Yeah.
or the tariffs which are there, which regularly keep on changing with the changing governments. So for that, all what you need to
Yes.
do is create a system that is compliant with the same, and let your sales reps do what they do best, which
Yeah.
is to sell. And then simplify partner distributor pricing approvals with unified rules. Then comes technology and SaaS. It can iterate the pricing models from freemium, consumption based, hybrid, without heavy customizations or anything. It can link CPQ directly to usage tracking for accurate and real time billing, and automate discount approvals to protect margin while supporting growth, and align billing schedules with ASC 606 or IFRS 15 compliance, and reduce DSO with faster and more accurate invoicing. Then comes automotive and mobility. Um Manage subscriptions for in-car connectivity, software and fleet services, automate upgrades, midterm changes, and feature activations in contracts. I mean, these all are like same things again and again, but for
But from
different
different
industries.
industry with
So
different
you
use
can use
case.
it in automotive and mobility, you can use it in retail and consumer goods, and you can use it into financial services and insurance, which is a very, very important industry to use it in. Like, forget about anything. I mean, you need it more into financial services than anything, actually. To automate the billing for tiered prices, plans, and policy renewals, connect the pricing logic with regulatory approval workflows, standardize code to cash with auto-ready compliance for SOX, GDPR, and KYC, enable midterm contract adjustments with automated approvals, align regional pricing, tax, and reporting for complex markets, stuff like that. And how revenue clouds drive faster and smarter growth.
So yeah, as we discussed, primarily what it is doing for us. So it is accelerating sales cycle. We don't have to, kind of have our people trained on to selling our products. We can use guided selling. It can assist our, assist our sales rep doing the sales while they are doing the sales itself only. It strengthens pricing disciplines by enforcing some logics, constraints into it. Then it delivers accurate billing, as we just saw in the demo itself only, and just we talked about. It simplifies compliance. So compliance is definitely one of the things that Revenue Cloud Advanced is going.
Very high on.
Very high on. It is delivering on as well, and then we have enhances customer experience. So again, headless API first architecture, so you can use it wherever the touch point you want to utilize it directly. So you don't have to integrate it that platform and that platform. Now you can directly link it with Revenue Cloud Advanced itself only. There is a usage based entitlement as well that you get, basically API calls that you get, so you can directly use it. You don't need some different platforms here and there and then moving the data and then utilizing it. You can directly link it, and that actually matters a lot if you are delivering B2C like customer experience to your B2B customers, which they are looking for, which they are heavily expecting from the businesses. Then lastly, we have improved forecast accuracy. Obviously, we would be having better accuracy, forecast accuracy, as we saw in the asset life cycle itself only. We can see, like, in the month of July, they are saying they would be utilizing this much. In the month of December, they will be utilizing this much. And basis on that, you can do forecasting better, because you have a way to keep a track of it, and you have a way to kind of report on that.